Welcome to the Clipper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a XY scatter plot on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel and then open any document. You can see in my document already some data are inserted. If you want to make a XY scatter plot of this data, just select your all the data and then click on Insert tab. And here on the charts option you can find XY scatter plot. Just click on charts and then click on more scatter charts. You have to just select XY from here, and here you can find some categories. Select any category. If I select it and then click on OK, and that's it. You can see XY scatter chart has been created successfully. Now if you want to customize your plot, just select the plot and then click on chart design tab, and from here you can customize anything as you like. Suppose if you want to change color, just click on change colors option and then choose any color. Now if you want to change style, just click on chart style and then choose any style, and that's it. You can also customize your plot from the format tab, and it's done. And that is how you can make a XY scatter plot on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.